Today we present to you a piece of equipment that will transform the way your production tackles the challenges of modern processing. I'm talking about the GEA Multitubular Sterilizer, machine designed with excellence and precision to meet the highest demands of the food industry. And we have it available right here at Maquinaria Tomás Guillén. Can you imagine processing to 30,000 liters per hour of juices or cream products with equipment that ensures not only quality but also sustainability? This sterilizer is not just a machine, it's an investment in your future. The GEA sterilizer is a piece of advanced engineering, and let me explain why. Its Siemens control panel allows you to manage every detail of the process with complete confidence. From the temperature to the workflow, you'll have total control. With a simple programming setup, it achieves unmatched efficiency. Thanks to its steam and water exchangers, this equipment maximizes the energy used, allowing for uniform heating. It's not just about producing more, it's about doing it better and with fewer resources. It features a deaerator that includes a vacuum pump and aroma recovery. In this way, this sterilizer protects the most valuable aspects of the product: the flavor, freshness, and natural aromas of the food. In addition, its zip cleaning system with a 1,000-liter tank ensures that the machine is always in optimal condition, with simple maintenance that allows you to focus on what really matters. Its production offers a unique adaptability. Its low pump ensures efficient handling, whether with light liquids or more viscous products. This gives you a flexibility that few machines can offer. This sterilizer is not just designed to process your products, it has been created to drive your success. With the GEA sterilizer, you'll be able to deliver a final product that not only meets the strictest quality standards, but also aligns with the sustainability and efficiency values that your customers are looking for today. Think about the impact that greater capacity, less waste, and unbeatable quality in every batch will have on your production. Also, its modular and easy-to-install design ensures that you'll be up and running in no time. Don't wait any longer to take the next step and make this equipment the heart of your production. We're here to answer all your questions and help you make the best decision, as we have all kinds of pasteurizers for various productions and applications. Contact us. Greetings.